Welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, December 3rd, 2015. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. So we always start our videos off with a 2-year weekly chart of the Russell Index. We use the Russell as our simple proxy for overall market health, strength, and direction. And because we never want to put a new chart forward to our viewers unless we're putting it forward in a rising market environment, I'm going to take a little bit of extra time today because it's an interesting day. Mario Draghi is going to make his announcement today. European stimulus. Will he stimulate more? Will he not? Who knows? It'll be an interesting day. So it's worth noting where all of the indexes are at the moment, but the one that we refer to, the Russell, is up and over that upper blue channel line, and the EMA is sloping up. We had a soft red day yesterday, but I'm filming this at about 7:30 on Thursday morning. The futures are up in a healthy manner, so I'm always keeping an open mind, but it looks as though the uptrend may want to continue. So I'm going to move it away from the Russell and just take a quick look at the S&P because I want everyone to note where we are. Again, weekly chart, but you want to take note that through much of the year, the S&P could not get through this area, my orange line of resistance, and spent a long time up there sort of chopping and consolidating, and then price fell off, and we are right here again taking another run at this area. So perhaps what Mario Draghi has to announce today will get us up and over, or we will roll over. But worth noting where we are. I also want to show you the Dow, same thing. Again, a long time consolidating here, and then we backed away, and we are right here again. So just wanted to show you that as a point of reference, but as per our guidelines at Chart of the Day Cafe, if price is up and over the blue channel line and price is ticking up on the Russell, we will be putting new charts forward, and so I'm putting a new one forward to you today. It's one I absolutely love. NetEase, NTES. It's an internet company that operates in the People's Republic of China. They are in internet gaming, email, that kind of thing. They were incorporated in 1999. They've got a partnership with Activision Blizzard. But let me tell you a little bit more about the fundamentals of this company. Rarely do I see scores that are this high. Oh my gosh. Currently trading at $170.92, but worth $343.14. So the value score on this one is really, really high. It's got a forecasted earnings growth rate of 41%, a PE of 2.88, a dividend yield of 1.03%. But the thing that I'm highlighting for you and what I'm all about at Chart of the Day Cafe, value and growth. So we know the values there, the growth on this company, sales growth in the last 12 months was 114%. Wow. I mentioned NetEase in a video back in January when it was $108. It's had a nice run up since then. Then it came up to this area of resistance. Again, we're looking at the 2-year weekly chart. It backed away. It's up and over that initial area of resistance, now support. And then look at the strong candle and the volume that put it back into the area that we are in right here, right now. So with that awareness and that look at the volume that's coming into this stock, I'm going to pull it away from the 2-year weekly to the 9-month daily. The reason I'm putting it in front of you today is that I like where it's sitting right here, right now. So this would be my area of support. I know you guys all have your own method and you might see a different area, but this is mine. I like the candle from yesterday, the volume that came in and pushed it up and over this orange line. So I'm saying that if NetEase stays above the blue line, you know, at Chart of the Day Cafe, it's all about the 8-day EMA and price staying up and over that 8-day EMA. I think this is one to keep an eye on and do some of your own further homework and research on. So I'm going to put my green circle here saying that if price stays up and over that blue line, we had that nice bullish candle yesterday, interesting one to keep an eye on. So we've covered the fundamentals, we've covered the technicals. Also wanted to mention, you want to check the boxes, the market, strong market. This is in a strong sector and it's an uptrending stock within that sector. Also, I have put aside a couple of articles that I will include with today's video. This is from the Motley Fool. You can find all of these on Yahoo Finance. This is a recent article, NetEase keeps winning from mobile growth in China. And then I'm also highlighting, there's a website called Project Syndicate. I love Project Syndicate. And this is an article that appeared in my inbox yesterday by this Martin Feldstein, professor of economics at Harvard University. And he wrote an article about China's latest 5-year plan. The government is putting forward this 5-year plan excuse me, for growth within the country, and I think this is really worth reading. Anyway, it's sort of it's the backdrop to NetEase, Baidu, Alibaba. They are, making forecasts for their growth and how they want to move their economy to a more services-oriented economy. It's worth reading. So with that, I will leave you, and I am putting NetEase, NTES, forward as my Chart of the Day Cafe pick for today, Thursday, December 3rd. Thanks. Have a great day.